Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button. Also consider liking this video if you have not already. Also, before I forget to mention, if you guys have not checked out my Amazon affiliate link and ECS affiliate link, they will be down in the description below. Now, for today's video, we will be doing something new to my F10. I haven't done any mods to my F10, and this one is extremely important to do to any turbocharged BMWs, and that is the charge pipe. The charge pipe on these BMWs are made out of plastic, and they tend to break over time and they can cause boost leaks. They also, adding an upgraded charge pipe can increase your throttle response and decrease your turbo lag. I don't know how true that is. I'm more doing it as a preventative maintenance item for the mods that I will be doing in the future on this car. So let me show you the charge pipe that I have in store for you guys today. Also, I will be putting a link to VRS Speed where I got that. That will also be an affiliate link for the charge pipe or anything else you want to buy through VRS Speed. That will also be linked below with my Amazon and ECS link. All right, so taking a look at the charge pipe, we have this charge pipe, super nice. One thing to note is make sure you buy the O-ring right here for the charge pipe. Don't reuse your old one. We are going to reuse the clip that is on the stock charge pipe, but we definitely want to replace the O-ring just so we don't get any boost leaks. So buy that from VRS. It shows when you check out, when you go to add this to cart, you have the option for the O-ring. Some of the other things you get with the charge pipe are you get these two clamps, which you will need. You also have a silicone little hose, so it does have some flex at some point. And then we have a new washer and the screws to hold in the sensor. So we're going to start by taking off the air intake, which sits right here on the N55. So yes, we are doing this on my F10, as I mentioned, with the N55 motor. And like I said, the charge pipes tend to go on these cars or any BMW just because they are plastic, and we want to replace that as preventative maintenance with a metal one that can withstand and won't break and cause boost leaks. So I'm gonna throw you guys in a time lapse of taking off the intake. I know there's a screw up here. We're gonna take these hoses off right here. So I want to give you guys a better view. What you have to do is you have to take off this connector right here. So that's for the sensor, and then you have to take off this piece, this bracket, or this little metal clip, just pull up on it. And then we also have to take off this boost line right here, and you just squeeze these two connectors, these two sides, pull up. And then right here we need to move the intake, and there is a, I believe it is a 7mm nut. We have to loosen that out, and the charge pipe should be able to come out. We're just going to try to wiggle it out and see what happens. It should come out. Everything, like I said, a charge pipe's pretty easy, and then we're going to swap this connector over to the new charge pipe. So wish me luck. Let's try to take it out. So I want to show you the trick on how I was able to get my charge pipe out. I actually pulled the front part off because it could move a little bit, and then I was able to pull down. I was not able to just pull down from here with this clip out. I had to pull the front out, and then I was able to pull the front down. I do have a little oil pooling up inside of it. I'm pretty sure that's normal. I don't think there's anything you can do. All turbo cars do a little blow by, and oil does get in the intake system a little bit. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but that was from my experience. I do remember Matt's car. I'm pretty sure he said he had some oil inside of the charge pipe. So what we're going to do now is we're going to transfer this bracket right here, and we're going to transfer this sensor right here onto the new one. So let's do that now. Before we take this and transfer it to the new one, here's just like a little side-by-side comparison. Make sure you guys tighten this bolt up because it's pretty loose from the factory, so we definitely want to tighten that up. As you can see, obviously it's short because I don't have the silicone piece right here, but let's take out the sensor and swap it to the new one. Now, included with the VRS charge pipe is a gasket and new hardware because the screw holes do look a little smaller. So we're gonna put this on now, and that should have the sensor all set. All right, so the screws are in. As you can see, the heads are kind of really small. I think they should have made the heads a little bigger, but the boost sensor is now in. Now we can slide in this charge pipe, and then we are going to slip on the silicone ring that I have somewhere. I don't know where it is, but we're gonna put the charge pipe on, and then it'll be easier to slip on the ring. So I take that back, just get the charge pipe into position and then slip this on. You will not have enough room. I thought I would, but I don't. I don't really like this logo, so I think I'm gonna face it down. Last thing to do is plug in the boost sensor and tighten up the clamps that are holding in the silicone line. And then we can put the air box back. So I'm gonna tighten up these bolts and then throw the air intake back on, and then I'll let you guys know what I think of it. So here's the look. It's finally fully installed, and you can't even really tell. I mean, it just looks black. It does look a little different, but I really like the way the VRS Speed one looks. Some of them are like a shiny black. I really like that it has this like crinkle coating to it, and it fits in really nice with the car. It doesn't really look out of place at all. So there is a look at it. So let me give you guys my final thoughts now. All right guys, so it is time to conclude the video after installing the charge pipe, and I can say, I don't know, it could be the placebo effect, but I feel like the throttle is a little more responsive, and I feel like there is a little less turbo lag. I mean, also I'm not super used to this car driving it, only because I haven't had it for that long, but I more did this mod as preventive maintenance and make sure for my future mods that the car can support them and it isn't going to have any boost leaks because of the charge pipe failing over time. These charge pipes are super susceptible for failing, and as I mentioned, they're made out of plastic and they can break open, and then you'll have a really big boost leak. So it's very important that you replace your charge pipe with one like the VRS Speed one that I'll link down below that was used in this video. So it's a great charge pipe. I really like the way it looks. It looks pretty cool. It fits in with the engine bay pretty well. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this charge pipe. If you guys have any questions regarding this charge pipe or the video or anything like that, drop them in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys want to see for other F10 videos, future mods, stuff like that. That'll help plan out some of the things that I already have planned for this car. But yeah, that'll help me out if you guys could let me know what you want to see. And don't worry, E46 content is still coming, still on the way, so don't worry about that. But with that being said, I am going to sign off for today. Definitely check out my Amazon affiliate link down below, as well as my ECS affiliate link. Follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.